When transferring your number to Mint Mobile, you might encounter a sending number transfer request status that lingers for hours or even days. This indicates a delay in the porting process, where Mint Mobile has initiated the request but is awaiting confirmation from your previous carrier. Several factors can cause this. Incorrect account information, like your account number or PIN from the old carrier, unpaid balances with your previous carrier, or simply network congestion, especially during promotional periods. Inaccurate or outdated porting information on the previous carrier's system can also result in this issue. If your Mint Mobile transfer is stuck, here's what to do. First, use the Mint Mobile app or website to cancel and retry the porting request. This triggers a fresh submission and often resolves the issue. Double-check that the device is SIM unlocked and the phone is compatible with Mint Mobile. The most crucial step is to verify the information you provided, account number and PIN, with your previous carrier, as even a small error can cause delays. If the issue persists for over 48 hours, contact Mint Mobile support via live chat or email. Support agents can manually escalate the issue and request a forced port from your previous carrier. In summary, verify your information, try retrying, and contact support. Always keep records of your communication and confirmation codes. Note, as of 2025, most requests are resolved within 1 to 2 hours with support.